I think last year with Estonia was for sure my breakthrough, but yeah. How it happened, I don't know. I just did what I normally did and then it worked.
24-aastase Oliver Solbergi mullune Rally Estonia võit oli igati maagiline. See oli Toyota tehase tiimile WRC sarjas 100 etapivõit. Oliver ise oli seda tehes vanuselt läbi aegade 3. See oli Oliveri kõige esimene kõrgeima taseme triumf. Täpselt 20 aastat varem, 2005. aastal, sai Oliveri isa Petter Solberg oma ülieduka WRC karjääri viimase võidu Suurbritannias.
Are you the person to blame on why Oliver is a professional rally driver?
I blame Pernilla's father because he was the guy who got Oliver into motorsport in cross-kart. So I was not a part of his cross-kart in a very early age. That was Pernilla and Pernilla's father.
It was tennis, football, ice hockey, it was dancing, and I really wanted him to try everything, but he always wanted to go to motorsport.
Oliveri isa Petteri karjäär WRC sarjas kestis Subaru, Fordi, Volkswageni ning tema enda loodud rallitiimis 2 vaatuses kokku pea 15 aastat. 52 poodiumi kohta, 13 etapivõitu ja kõige tipuks 2003. aasta MM-karikas Subaruga. Mees teenis oma avatud persooni ja showmeheliku stiiliga hüüdnime Härra Hollywood. Petter sündis Norras, kasvas üles seafarmis ning õppis koos vanema venna Henninguga, kes jõudis samuti WRC sarja kiirelt selgeks, et ilma raske tööta ei jõua elus kuigi kaugele. Ralli tulukest näitasid mõlemile maast madalast nende rallispordi entusiastidest vanemad, Terje ja Tove, kes käisid Norras kohalikel tavarahvale taskukohastel rallikrossi võistlustel.
I think a lot of the shortcuts for my career is because of the mechanical and technical background. But believe me, the amount of cars we have built and engines and cars from scratch without any people helping since we were 10 years old, because we made 50 cars for my parents and other people in autocross. I think that is the core thing.
Petteri abikaasa ning Oliveri ema Pernilla on pärit Rootsist, Torsbyst, kohast, kus pikki aastaid sõideti kuulsat Rootsi rallit. Sestap on mootorisport sealkandis alati au sees olnud. Naine mäletab, kuidas Rootsi ralli toimumise ajal jäeti koolitunnid ära ja kogu elu lülitus selle rütmi. Kuigi ka hobused olid Pernillale hingelähedased, siis rallihuvi jäi peale.
My dad was a driver in rallying and rallycross when I was 16. My dad had on his 40th birthday gotten a Volvo Amazon in this historic class in rallying. So he needed a co-driver and I said, I would really like to try. So that was my first time in the car as a co-driver and I just loved it. And I said, wow, when I'm 18, I'm gonna just take the license. I just want to try and drive on my own, and I was hooked. So I sold the horses and then started with rallying.
How did you meet each other?
We've known each other for some time. We've met on the same rallies. So we have sort of seen each other and said hi and like, oh, yeah.
Was it love from the first sight?
Yeah, cute from the first sight at least. And then on the boat to Rally GB 98, he came to me and said, oh, hi, on the same boat, okay. So I think that's where it sort of clicked properly.
Oliver Solberg külastas elu esimest WRC etappi juba ajal, mil ta polnud veel aastanegi. Oliveril oli privileeg näha vahetult toonaseid suurtegijaid ja tulevasi maailmameistreid.
I remember very well in the service park when my dad was in Ford, you know, with Oit Tanak at the same time. Oit was the young kid coming up, and Oit was almost like my babysitter, you know, in M-Sport that time. And my father was the factory driver and then Oit was the young kid fighting.
Käesoleva WRC hooaja 3. mees rühkis tänasesse positsiooni läbi rallikrossi, crosskardi, erinevate riiklike meistrivõistluste ning madalamate rahvusvaheliste rallisarjade. Sõltumata ema ja isa lugupeetusest ning võimalustest on Oliver pidanud sportlaste edenemisse kõvasti ka omal käel panustama.
We have always said that we will help you to buy the car. We will help you to get the trailer and to do all that. But you need to start working on getting the budget to run this. You need the budget to do all these events. You need sponsors. And I remember him from a very early age, you know, he said, "Oh, Mama, I called now Apple." I said, "You called Apple?" "Yes, I got the phone number to, you know, our neighbor, she works in Apple. So she helped me to get this number to someone in Denmark. So I have called them to see if they can come with sponsorship." So he has this, what I really like, he has this inner drive, and you need that yourself. It cannot be the parents or the people around you that push you to do things. It has to come from you.
WRC tasemel debüteeris Oliver Solberg 2019. aastal Suurbritannia etapil. Sümboolselt lõpetas samas kohas ja ajal karjääri tema isa ehk teatepulk anti järgmisele põlvkonnale üle. Esimene tõsisem võimalus usaldati Solberg juuniorile 2021. aastal, kui ta sõlmis lepingu Hyundai'ga, mis jäi hoolimata poisi visadusest WRC ja WRC2 võistlustel siiski üürikeseks.
It's very difficult to understand why these things happen.
And Oliver is a fighter. And then it's a part of, do you want to be a part of it or do you want to be good? Because you can also drive like many people do, to do it for the passion and have fun, and it's really enjoyable. But Oliver's mindset was to be very good. And that takes a lot of work. On the way, you do mistakes. You have to do mistakes. If not, you will never learn from it.
Maybe the Hyundai time was just the wrong place at the wrong time, I think, for me as a young guy.
If you are older, you have more life experience, you have more to relate to and more you can compare with. When you are younger, you don't have that backpack of experience to help you. And even if Petter and I know there will be other opportunities, we have to, you know, we try again. That was hard for him because he needs to believe that himself. It doesn't matter what we say.
Ent ei murdu mees, kes on saatusest suurem. Oliver Solberg tegi sammu tagasi, kihutas stabiilselt mitmes WRC2 meeskonnas ning taastas usku, et Hyundai's juhtunu ei ole lõpp. 2025. aastal istus Solberg Toyotasse ja häid asju hakkaski juhtuma.
You know, the Rally 2 years were successful, but it was mainly of trying to just getting back into the right opportunity. And yeah, into last year, the opportunity was to get into Toyota, you know, okay, mainly to do all the rallies in Rally 2, but the only reason why I changed to Toyota was also because I get the opportunity to do one rally in Rally 1, you know. And then obviously that was Estonia, and it went obviously much better than I think anyone expected, and even myself.
Coming into Toyota, it's a more stable, long-term plan. So far, it looks really like a family feeling. It's very open, transparent. The drivers all sit together, they discuss the setups, what are you using on the car, what are you using.
Lisaks Rally Estonia võidule krooniti Oliver Solberg eelmisel aastal WRC2 maailmameistriks. Tänavusel hooajal on ta 6 etapi järel olnud pooltel juhtudel esiviisikus.
Do you think the world title could be catchable already this year, this season?
I think so. It's the goal, it's the dream, and if I can fight for it, I will definitely try.